How to add Amazon Prime gift card. It's pretty simple. Now you cannot do it through the app. You want to open up your browser. Now since Amazon Prime is owned by Amazon, if you have an Amazon Prime account, that definitely means you have an Amazon account as well. So what you need to do is enter the gift card on your Amazon account, and that gift card will automatically be linked with the Amazon Prime account if it is like, an Amazon Prime gift card. So what you can do is just search for Amazon gift card redeem like this on your browser. Once you search for it, click on Amazon redeem, the first option. It'll just directly take you to a gift card like redeeming page. So I'm just gonna log in over here into my Amazon account real quick. Now once you log in into your Amazon account, like it's gonna show up like this. Just click on enter claim code, enter your code here and click on apply to your balance, and it's going to be redeemed. If it's a subscription card, it's going to unlock subscription on Amazon Prime Video. Now you can just log into Amazon Prime Video using whatever account you have on your Amazon, and basically you're good to go. That's how you guys can add Amazon Prime gift card. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.